review of Good Life Organic, ding, including recipes made with Good Life Organic, ding, with a focus on Mother's Day and female energy, ding, ding, ding. Welcome to my YouTube channel, a channel dedicated to healthy, conscious living, a spot where I review local, sustainable South African brands. Good Life Organic has an exquisite range of organic products, starting from herbs and salts to grains and legumes, vegetable powders, superfood powders. They support sustainable organic farming practices, which is not only good for the earth, but it's also good for us. They are the first brand and the easiest brand to get hold of when you're looking for organic herbs and spices. Organic black cumin, sweet paprika, a yummy pasta sprinkle, Himalayan rosemary salt. Next, we can go into the range of superfoods. So for our Mother's Day female empowerment video, there is the Mojo mix for her. This superfood packet contains maca powder, which is really good for your hormones, ashwagandha and shatavari root that also supports good hormonal health. Lucuma is another superfood powder which can be used as a natural sweetener for those of you who want to go off sugar. Then I've got the beetroot powder and the spinach powder over here. What I love about the beetroot and the spinach is you don't always have time to get organic food. I like using these powders to add to my food or create food with it just to get more organic nutrients in. I just love this beetroot product. I've actually got quite a lot of traveling coming up. So I'll be taking my beetroot and my spinach powders with me because I don't know how accessible I will be to organic veggies. Another little treat product, organic rose water. Rose water just has that beautiful feminine scent touch. You can add it as your smoothie or even a little substitute for vanilla essence. Let's get to the easy recipes made with these delicious products. So for our first little recipe, we are making the Mojo Mix Bliss balls with rose water. All just with superfoods, no sugar, no gluten, no dairy, just the good stuff. First what we're going to do is we're going to grind the sunflower seeds. Now the sunflower seeds is almost like a flour mix, and this will be the base for the bliss ball. Next, I've got some macadamia nut butter from Omega Nut Butter, 2 tablespoons. Look at that. Next up, we'll put in our superfoods. Mojo mix. 3 tablespoons of beetroot powder. Actually 4. We'll make it 4. For some more sweetness, I've soaked some figs in water. You can use a date if you'd like. Rose water. Add a little bit of water. I'm adding the water that I was soaking the figs in because I find that that water is soaked up all the sweetness. Here you'll have to play with the water till you get the consistency that you want. Perfect. So now the next step is to roll them into little balls. Voila! Here we have our hormone happy Mojo Bliss balls for Mother's Day. Happy for female hormones and easy, quick treats. Just made with superfoods and some super seeds. The next recipe is a quick and easy. You want to be healthy and fast. This is the way to go. We're making a dish with Happy Earth People pasta. This is a legume pasta. Yum, yum, yum. Now we want to make a super easy pasta sauce. We're going to make the beetroot pasta sauce. Look how easy this is. Here I have 60 milliliters of water. And now I take 1 scoop of beetroot powder in a jam jar. Mix. Beautiful, red, yummy. Now you can add whatever vegetables you want. Just as a garnish, I'm adding some pine nuts, some micro. Because who needs cutlery? To all the mommies, hope you guys have an amazing Mother's Day and that hopefully you could get some really great ideas on how to have easy, accessible, organic food through Good Life Organic. I will put some links below to go directly to Good Life Organic so that you can get some stock there. Further, don't forget to check out our Instagram giveaway. This is valid for Mother's Day 2019. Please subscribe for more content like this, and I hope you have a good life, and may it be a good life organic.